Hello, my name is Nicole Landisabal. Today I will be showing you my qualifying exam presentation. The problem that we are seeing today is how people in the United States are being very close-minded, and since we live in such a diverse country, this is a very important thing since basically people have to learn to accept others. Georgescu and Feeder show like the different types of topics and like what and how people classify certain like races. So yeah. The importance, basically, like I said before, since we live in such a diverse country, it's very important to understand how like minority groups and others are being affected by this because they feel belittled and they're being treated like unfairly, and this is also causing many other people to be very like not well rounded and like aware of like their surroundings. Cultural competency is basically the respect and the manners you have when traveling towards other cultures and the people there, and the lack of willingness is something very commonly seen with people in the United States towards other cultures and whether they're like willing to learn basically. The gap, basically, we have found, or it has been found, how social constructivism, the pre-existing issues of race problems in America, and traveling benefits are very important topics to this study, but it has yet to be found how traveling can make someone more culturally aware. Social constructivism is basically how someone is influenced by their surroundings, such as their friends, family, and like what they face every day, like on a day-to-day basis, and how can that like basically affect the way they see things and their opinions on certain topics. Pigolucci kind of provides a graph on like how the different, like how we kind of process things. Russo is a counselor that is basically testing how to fix the social constructivism of younger children by using the specific historical factors that she explained. Race in America is a very common issue that we've seen for a very long time. Specifically, white Americans prefer to put their wealth and power above others rather than seeing equality. And also, the author Carter specifies on the different types of racism, subtle and structural. Subtle is more seen within like a community and a specific person. Structural is with the historical background of that person. The traveling benefits are, and this just touches base on different experiences that people have had, and has been tested by Terry, that traveling shows that people who travel grow more of an empathy with other cultures, and also people who have gone on volunteer or missionary trips feel a better connection with others when they get to understand others more. The research question is, to what extent does traveling at a young age to 5 or more countries compared to others who have not traveled make someone more or less culturally aware of their surroundings? And from Agamben and many other sources, I have found my hypothesis to be that people who start traveling and have been to 5 or more countries at a young age are more accepting and aware of different types of cultures in our society. Studies show that traveling allows people to see and understand things outside of your own country and how they work, and those who surround themselves with multicultural people can accept others.